So on this episode he had Lloyd Ness.
Oh yeah.
He had Lloyd Ness, and then amba thetha ngoPizzo and how he doesn't like Pizzo, energy Pizzo, pro eggs, Kidio. And then he started talking about you.
What is saying about me? Like, hey.
So I don't know what happened, yabo, but it has to do with indaba ka Biggie. He started also revealing that Biggie, the reason why Biggie is not in the picture at the moment is because Wayo Twasa and all of those things and Mpumalanga, so that's why the music is on hold. Yabo.
Yeah.
But I don't understand what's the beef ke ngoku kuwe, because into azithethayo is like ayibambeki ncam yabo la way. And at some point he said that he met you kwenye event and he had a gun on him, and then he then got arrested.
That's nigga, yaphupha la nigga. Listen, dog, what's going on here?
Hey, it's your boy Coffee, man. I'm out here in Cape Town, Ukukuleto, Barcelona, Machochombeni, Klaok in a pole. South Africa, man. It's yet another episode of the Black Couch Podcast. Shout out to everyone who's subscribed on our YouTube channel. And shout out to everyone who's following us on Instagram and also on Facebook at the Kasi Mayhem TV. And also everyone who's been following us on the channel on WhatsApp, the Kasi Mayhem TV channel. Shout out to Ikeja for sponsoring this episode, man. Go to www.ikeja.co.za and get yours. Yeguhlalema Somalian, man. It's only 350 rands ngenyanga bafet, and get the best Wi-Fi in the whole planet, man. Otherwise, namhlanje, after a very long time, actually, after 2 weeks of having no electricity, but finally we are back because of popular demand. And we are back with the legend. Iflayile azofika kule couch.
Hey, that's good. What going?
I'm good, man. We got uTacwenga, better known as uXarha. Kuhle Putom?
I'm good, man. You good?
I'm fresh. I'm nice. I'm nice.
Yeah,
And
man. Yeah, man.
I'm glad that you made it, because I thought mhlawumbe uzoba fatigued or something like that, because you're very busy, man.
Nah, dog. Like even ngokuthi yela ukine pool ngicela ukuthi ne pool ngena ku pool. Actually nigga, I'm super excited to be here, dog. Thank you so much for having me. This platform is I take it for granted. I appreciate it a lot. Shout out to you, man.
Oh
so much. Yeah, man.
How's been Cape Town for you so far?
So far so good, dog. The Fundikasi, yabo. Fundikasi. Like I went to Kailicha, I went to Kuyasa, I went to Harare. I'm here in Cooks now. I went to Daft, yabo.
Yeah.
Yeah, like Fundikasi. Ngiyijonga and get the weather yakhona, yabo.
Yeah.
Chinja. Ayiqhubeki.
Yeah.
Ayiqhubeki ngabantwana phandla.
Yeah. Nah, man, welcome to the Mother City. I think that's part of the reasons why it is a Mother City.
Oh, yeah.
Because mother is very emotional. So emotions, man, is nyuka set. So the weather nayo indecisive. Otherwise, welcome, man. Welcome to the Black Couch. And I was really worried because when you posted about you are coming to Cape Town and which podcast can be recommended.
Yeah.
And I saw someone recommending me, Pan, and I was like, straight to your DMs, and there was no response. I was like, hey, Cape Town,
Skis, man. Skis, man. Shout out, though, yabo.
Yeah.
Shout out to everybody like who's supporting your initiative, you know.
Yeah.
Including my music, because Kabes as creatives, it must cool a way.
Yeah.
So whatever comment I drop, okay, whatever recommendation I enzayo, in the name of collaboration, it means that we're going somewhere, you know.
Yeah,
we're going somewhere. So thank you for being part of my team, because this is a winning team, like right now. Yeah, man.
So let me start here. Mna, as a coffee, I was introduced to you on Upechi.
Okay.
And I remember before even Apume, I heard the beat.
Okay.
The privilege of man.
So Pizzo ukumamela ibeat yami.
Because there's so many exclusives that I get to listen to.
Yeah.
But valumlomo, because you can't do that. But I was like, I wonder ngubani ozojumpa kule beat. Because uyathanda undenza loo nto ndimamelise ibeat. I remember he made me to listen to ibeat oyenzele uThami.
Okay.
There's a guy who I idols Twang Tami, but he passed away. Rest in peace to Tami. Did his ingoma ekuthiwa andifuna ukujola. And then I was like, yo, le beat ekabani. Yabo.
Yeah.
I wanted the beat. He was like, no, King, hey, client, le beat. And when he dropped, I heard it on Umhlobone, and I was like, no, man. Noba sekuthiwani le beat. La beat bendivile lena. And I was like, at least umchita wenze justice. Yabo.
That's fine, bro.
I think that's the same feeling I heard about you and your song. Like, tell me ngala process yoba ufumane beat. Who approached who in terms of getting the beat and also recording? Where did you record the song?
Actually, during COVID-19, I was busy trying to put together a project. So now, Utapizo, namtacha like, yo, bro, ngicela undi bless ngebeat. Amane ndimayiza ku bra yabo. Amane ndimayiza then ezixesha lihamba kuye kwafumaniseka kuba udinga ndimenzele artwork yabo.
Okay.
I logo.
Kaleni graphic design.
Yeah. Kuma seven menzele artwork so sa exchange inanziki services yabo.
Okay.
Wathi manje ngifuna artwork ethile. I tried to create a blueprint yayo yonke la NSR wakhe yabo.
Yeah.
The blueprint yayiqalwe ndim la artwork but now ndiyabona iya develop konke manje develop yenza better yabo. So I did that ndamcela bra ebuda grand ngalewe uthi awu grand ndike bura joka khumula ngicela beat shaya beat so bra wathi okay ikhona beat ebendiyenzile ndaniyibhalela uTimer uyabo
Okay.
ibona la yakhe conversation noTimer wakhe yeah so he was busy with la series yakhe yomculo so umzida wathi bajonga ikhona le beat mfethu ingathi iyangena kule chorus yakho xa ndiyiva I like it ndayigcina ixesha elide ndamane ndiyirecorda because I went to Komane at that time khona out kuthiwa nguPrince White I went to his studio ndarecorda pha and then zange sigqibe lo mini leyo sa ndaphinde ndayithatha la beat ndayirecorda ka ngoendlini kunye out nguSnez the controller kuthiwa lapha eCape Town shout out to him
Snez, yeah.
He's my nigga like si producer la project yonke so he's the one on record leyo phala la ngoma and I'm excited dog that the song yenze justice engakayindilindele yabo.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, because I thought yenye nje ingoma because kwi project yengeyo ne lead single yabo.
Yeah.
I think I single yesithathu okanye yesi4 endiyikhuphileyo kula project.
Yeah.
Kanti ke bayona big and then they touch inhliziyo zabantu abakhulu abantu abaninzi nabantu abadala nabancinci and then abantu bafunda a lot la ngoma. Kids they got a platform to rap on that beat you know.
Yeah, with the challenge
yabo. Inspiration equlathwe ila ngoma it's out of this world bro so shout out to Pizzo from the instrumental because the instrumental is sala feeling la feeling ichukumisa abantu abaninzi I feel like I need to say something on this thing yabo so big shout out to Pizzo and big shout out to Snez for recording me. Snez ke zezi yaba u record take athi ayiyo phinde iqala
yeah.
So he made sure kokubana ingoma ayihlinyuka okanye ayiqali iphezulu ihle yabo he made sure kuba le ngoma uba yekho level mayinyuke. Yeah so it was nice to work on that project bro.
Yima uSnez uku zid respect okanye ku
yeah chorus got respect.
Oh yeah. one of my favorite songs. I like that song. I also fucks with the video.
Yeah.
The video is dope. Shootele la wesen mas.
It's London.
Oh yeah.
What I like about that video got respect ilanba. Okay, sorry man for
No, don't worry.
Yeah. What I like about it, yonke la niyenzeka pha it clean I actwanga yabo because sasiye elwandle andibazi bonke abantu bakula video.
Damn.
I only know the nigga with the snapback. Ikona nigga nama chain ile ihamba nala umjite benshoot. So shout out to those niggas that's East London kuba amajita but yeah uDiego yabo shout out to Diego for shooting that so la majita anshutile sesizihlelele nje okay ngiyathandwa ngabantu abaningi mozapho exaxa so wonke umuntu ebesiza ngothando bayi ngiyakwazi kwazela ku Facebook kwazela ngengoma kaBhegi kwazela PP so I like the fact that I actwanga la way I stage one
yeah the love that you're getting, man, is it's so amazing that a lot of people think that Ubhegi was your beginning, but you've been doing this thing. And I remember you were part of Isadma.
Yeah.
Because I saw that on TV and I was like, le artist lela. Yeah, I understand. So like tell me about before Ubhegi, because I'm really interested in that time, because a lot of people don't know umnombo and I say senzeka inkulu, yeah, understand. And you being part of la project and also like growing yazana ndoni yona.
Okay. Le way imkhumbula iqala njani le ngiqala ndimamela amajita mose se Cape Town mandlala engcobo that time.
Yeah.
So people like Pizzo, Kidio, Mike Substance, you know, ngabantu abayifake engqondweni kakhulu into yami yo rap, yabo? Because now ndikhula ndimameleza way maxhoseni as well. So ndasuka ekhaya boarding school eBhayi. So boarding school siba nesiyali after 6 sihlale pha. So okay mamane rap as verses alamajita, rap as verses alamajita. Say movement, see M4L see group yethu, yabo? See M4L MCs for lyrics. So lamajita sa rap but kofanele ndiyaphuma ngokwesikela mina yabona ngigqibela grade 12. Ngibela kum grade 12 and ikhulile kumlewe yo rap because ngosensiva o Retex sensiva i3 Months Cup because that album ka 3 Months Cup yona ingiqinise kakhulu yabo. I used to love the song I Will Make It, yabo.
Yeah,
shout
so
out
when they were signed by Pioneer Unit.
Yeah, that time. So I used to love as albums ngala xesha ngoma okay ndiyaqina ndaqanda bhala ke ngoku nami. So I think I was doing grade 11. Kufika i-organization eseGauteng kuthiwa iSADMA ifika phaya eSkela ngoba ndifuna boarding school. Xa ifika phaya kuthiwa audition pha oma oledi bacula i-jazz ne-R&B nentoni ne-gospel. So khona umnye oledi oclean phaya esikolweni wathi manje audition apha ndawo lezi zamama ze-gospel yabo. Wathi mntanami right lento yakho la intswembukela weba abe khona umuntu ongumama oyirealizer oyirecognizer into yenzayo ba leni ngakubeka samo yabo. Wala ulethi mandiye pha fika phansi lijomi zami xa ndifika pha ndifika na chorus ndine verses eziyi2 yabo. Ayizokwenza amahluko lena ayizowavisa kamandi abantu lento. Ndathi molweni molo ngibani igama lakho ndithi mina ndingugxarha yabo kodwa okay cula. Ndathi okay guys ndizabuza mina ndingubani kanene nene zathi gxarha ne okay the verses eziyi2 abenza sifaka in between like the song was composed this stage kanjalo yabo ngibani kanene gxarha xa ndithi okay this is crazy and ndangomnye wamajita selectweko ngopha selectwa ngenxa yoba I can interact with the crowd. They don't know uba ndi-create a stage la way. I don't know uba yintoni enye yandithathisayo ndathathwa ke ngoku siyarekhoda la mixtape pha. Xa sirekhoda la mixtape phaya ungibani kanene yayingoma egqwesileyo pha kula project yabo. It's when ke ngona qonda okay no man I can do this thing alone because now manje ndibashiyile boarding school mna ngoku bendisiye Fort la xesha. Sinale project le project inengoma yami one and then ingoma yami namajita ingoma zami namajita. I kept on performing that song i1 kept on performing la ngoma i1 ndabona ndiya recognize ke ngondaqala ndaqhubekeka ndabhala ingoma ezininzi but even a group ndandiyi leader and a group ndandibhalela abantu abaninzi yabo. I was that guy.
So you're very creative in a way that like even creative side of a group yayihoyo nguwe.
I control the direction ye group bindi yabo. It was me ozothi beningubeyonce mangla group yami. Beningukabelo yabona kuTikezi beninguphizo kuNaked Mind. Yeah, so ibindimwenza show abafethu siyo perform sasiyami kufana kunokutazi cyphers yabo. Sihlale idwesi i-area pipeline ne. So i-cypher izaba seSlovo okanye i-cypher izaba seFairplace okanye eNjoli okanye New Bright. So siya ngenyawo okanye senze iplan basenze donations bendimo create artworks or create donation papers kope ku YouTube ku Google bandibhale ntoni sikhuphe donation siqokelela imali uba sikwazi ukukhwela yonke lanto so I've been like ndinayo idea baba fethu funeke siyenze le way but as basikhula zatshintsha ngoku injongo zabantu so mina ndahlala ndabambelela kuyo because ibindimi bendinayo ibindimi beyipusha le way and uphuma kwami ngoku M4L bafethu ndiyeke ndiziphushele nizawupusha nani kolo caza manje ndixhasa apho ndikwazi khona aphele ngasaqhubeki konke amajida
Yeah, it does happen. I can count like 20 or 30 people that used to come to the studio and abanye abafundisi, abanye doing all sorts of crazy things. But it shows resilience kuwe. And to me it's always a reminder but I still sacrifice for lento ndiyithandayo yabo and I still move attentively.
Yeah. No, wena bra ndiyithanda man leyo yocula bo. Ndiyithanda leyo yocula and andiyenzi kuba isenziwa iyazenzekela ndake ndakhalla noyeka yabo but xa sendihleli nesiyali ndiphuma ne16 bars hleli nje xa ndibona izinto i-freestyles yaphuma ndirapper ngezinto endizibona apha endleleni like this thing man I can't just take it away ilapha kungaphakathi let me just continue with it yabo even nento zobana okay imali i-platforms indoni izinto ezilandelayo ezo ngaphezulu but ilove yale way ihleli khona yona yabo ihleli khona that's why ke ngoku ukuthini uyakwazi it's quality yakwazi ifumana kanjalo iquality yabo uba umjita can rap okokoko kanye can stick to into yakhe noba kunjani noba akho izinto zo record noba kuthina enze iplan bayikhuphe boyazi bayiquality le same as iplayer yesoka edlala eGravelini xa kuthiwa ayipikwanga yodlala nezinye iplayer yodlala ithini boyazi bayiquality yayithatha uyibuyisele efieldini so I'm that guy man I don't see myself in the year way and I like to collaborate I like to say anybody on a platform out there makanika abanye abantwana a chance noba banikanga mina yabo but bakunika abanye abantwana a chance.
Talking about collaborate and also being given a chance to fast forward from release ka Pegi, it blows up, goes crazy. Amagrootman as a Eastern Cape who run bigger platforms, they start to recognize your work and they recommend your work in their platforms, like people such as Aboma Fa, Aobetusile, and everyone. I could see that movement going on. How was that for you?
Yeah, it's very mandi, bro. I want it very mandi because to be recognized by people like Lakizm for it to call, ne. Lower Rudmani, I got recognized now, now I was a point the quality, ne. And then say Bonil, way Bamba, Boni Sabanya band. So. Xa ndizoba ngolamntu uchuzwe ngulakhis over everybody athi bafethu Ivan lentwana yabo it's when ndava kamandi khona because what ulakhis nazi lentwana ubethusile waphakama Uncle Tops waphakama Thembi Mona waphakama and I was like okay now everybody uyasondela yathini yabo because baya believe xa ibelieve ngulakhis the way it means this is it yabo so ndava kamandi kakhulu to be given that platform and it's grateful even today yabo it's a grateful today even nabantu abangena magama like not about big but abantu abacontributileyo to make sure uba ubhege uviral like we are on 210,000 views on YouTube now yabo so I appreciate that man I feel so good and ndisavuya nango like I'm one of them of
course
yabo it not a challenge kwangoku of which azizulunga ngexesha eliyi1 zonke izinto ingathi i-challenge kwangoku is not to be given a platform to perform kwindawo ezigrand because baye bacinga fan basinso ngomrapper you're gonna bore if vibe yabo okanye by assume they don't
so
know.
that goes to promoters then
it goes to promoters it goes to managers it goes to certain artists as well as new artists they believe that uba bekupikwe uAce ebaleni akazofaka uZex ngoAce ufuneka epikwe all the time so uAce like kwazi ukuthi coach mfaka abantu uZex uNtswembu that would make everything easy for everybody
get you
but now these niggas what they do but bocha bathe bodwa baxela sebengasatyi ke ngokubathini bakhalaze bathi we're not given a platform bakhalaza njengamanje banikhalaza ngoku.
Yeah.
Ogqiba when you ask one question ukuthi ngokubutyiswa fethu ubunyuse bani ukwenzela xa usihla athi bamba mntakwethu ndiyabulela yabo. Yeah zama ukuthi basingabambana kanje sinyengo ke so onyukile uyi1 ahlisa isandla atsala abanye. I feel like dog singaya kude yabo but ke anzangazokhalaza like anzangazokhalaza.
So you travel between 3 provinces that I know of following you online, you understand?
Yeah.
Which is Eastern Cape, Gauteng, and Western Cape.
Western Cape, yeah.
How do you compare those for Wena in terms of what you're talking about right now, in terms of promotion, in terms of music creation in studio, zinjani compared to and also in terms of reception abantu indlela bakwamkela ngayo?
Ndiyathandwa Bramna eseyonke yabo, and I don't want to lie because eCape Town everybody banika uthando oluninzi. Eastern Cape bayan own abanomona ngawo yabo, they don't want Cape Town to say uXarha is ours, right? And shout out yabo, I like that. And then eJozi abantu kwethu noma basuka phi, like the Xhosa nation, they make sure they own me, they protect me that side as well, right?
Yeah.
So now it's just that ila agenda yami yokubana ba xa sele siba ngaka sikwazi urecognize olhlobo ingaske sibambane and then sibonise kaloku eJozi kule competition yobana ba there's Tswanas, there's Xhosas, there's whatever yabo, there's vendors. So now when akuthina ngesixhosa all the time yeah, my clothes.
I know.
And then if I pull out like, yo, I got this, niggas, give me the mic and all that. Like, okay, what you gonna do, dog? Like, I'm gonna rap his clothes. Okay, it's fine. Let's give it to, what's his name? There's a closer rapper from Eastern Cape.
Yeah.
You don't even want to know my name and shit.
Yeah.
But abanda go to Abapai Joe's fucks, like I like their energy.
Yeah.
They make sure that it's grand. It's just that it's a matter of time, man. So when it comes to into ezifana nomculo nenzika nestudios andizikhangeli studio ndinaso studio pha endlini yabo.
Okay.
Khona out amthonga uSibuda X lenze ingoma naye ndirecordwa yiyo, big shout out to him. Kube khona uPrag Talk Mr Bev nenzela instrumentals ezininzi ngwase East London.
Usibuda akekho ku
Ngobomelano.
No, yeah. No.
Yeah.
That's another dope record. That's another
Yeah, even project vision. Khoka uthetha ngengoma yeah, this record is fire.
Yeah.
So yeah, man, in the finance studios ndizikhangeli.
Yeah.
Ndifuna nje bra i-platform whereby ndizawurapper, ndizokwazi uvakala ndiphilisa abantu.
Yeah.
Okanye ndivakala ndonwabisa abantu. That's it. So now into abayenzayo abantu xa bekubona uba uzokwazi uyenza engathi wotyisonga sabo.
Oh, yeah.
Otherwise nenye I'm cool. Big shout out to El Nino, iyayivula enye platform pha kuthiwa yi-Conscious Sundays by Joyce.
Yeah.
Conscious Sundays, everybody osuka apha okanye osuka eDurban okanye osuka Eastern Cape xa ifika pha ufika mniki nanzika imic a-headline a-rap yabo. So bakhona abantu abafana no Ayanda Daweti there yabo. Bekho abantu abafana no
Dark Shop.
Yeah, Dark Shop bafanas.
Yeah.
It feels good to rap for people abase TV yabo.
Yeah.
Because those people they're like, what Guma yo dog, you going far yabo. After
yeah.
everyone Ngobo Milan. Big shout out to him. Bekho abantu abafana no Loli Natives. It feels good to see those people there yabo. So i-platforms ezinja ingase sibe nayo nathi abe-Cape Town uba ayikho yabo. Whereby xa khomle sihla esiza be-Cape Town this is your first stop.
Yeah. I'm gonna have two-way questions. I will have the other one at Kobelin, but I have another one just after you have said something. Who's that? Okay, Mhlambi, you don't have to name because I don't wanna. I'm not a controversial person. It's controversial, but like, I want people to learn because they don't know what happens behind your ngindo yabola way. Babona is surface, which is online. You understand?
Yeah.
Who's that one person that when you met, you were overwhelmed in terms of reception yabo, like it was beyond what you expected, like a figure, like a public figure, like someone who's in the game already. When you met them, or even if be event, kona lando bani beku event, and then beku backstage, kwa banda bangafuna uhlalisana kwa ku backstage. Anzu hlala ne local artist ku backstage, funa hlala ndedwa. Yabo, who's that person who was like very kind to you, and then what other experience obuko wanayo zangu uitande or yak disappointa?
obviously it's MT, yabo. I met MT 2 times, yabo.
Oh yeah.
I met MT e Komani. Sashake hands. Grand, wara. What's your name? Like, no, I'm Gacha. Okay, yo, dog, keep it up. Like, yo, keep it up, dog. And then when Gobo perform, he then came again. They're like, nah, you're going far. This is fire, right? So nighttime the energy akumjita, we were good. We took pictures. Sapene zadibana eBhayi ke ngoko ebubeleni kwenye show pha. Xa sidibana pha ebehleli no Loli Natives.
Yeah.
So I went to him like, yo, dog, what's up? Like, yeah, I'm good. I remember this nigga. Like, it feels good when that nigga is gonna say to me, you remember me.
Yeah,
And then he was like, we met again. Like, libele in a P, but
Yeah.
then I'm like, nah, this is fire. This is fire. To be recognized by idol enjeyana engu-MT, it's a bigger thing. Nkulu kumla when akufani noba kuthiwe mandizo rapper for the sake of ndikhe platform. Ifana nobana mna, how do I feel after this nigga ithini and recognize it, right? Yeah, so shout out to him, dog. And nayi bad experience emashita. Umjita never bad experience yakhe. Mastermind.
Sometimes umuntu yena mhlawumbe ufike ekwixesha elingekho right yena. So you can't, like, when I'm talking about bad experiences, not zonke mhlawumbe intentional yabo lawe. But ubuqomba kodwa man, you expected more. Yeah, understand?
Yes, axabana nge-mic no Mastermind. Sixabana nge-mic sise-40 nekwi-show yakhe kuthiwa ngu-Miss 40.
Yeah.
Hey, that time around 2016, yabo. So this nigga in Niggy mic, and that's why it's chinjan enjan. So now he's oxuta le mic, iti. No, this is my mic. You can't take this one. Take this one. They're like, no, nigga, my time. He was oxuta the mic, and then I had to give it to him. Then the lean, the one patel when you mic, yabo.
Yeah.
So they were like, but this is just a mic, yabo. Not knowing that time ukuthi mhlambe bi mic yakhe personal okanye mhlambe kube ngu-MC akufuneka ngalahlekana ne-mic. But I was kind of disappointed because I used to love him for la character yozalo, yabo.
Yeah.
But still the nigga, I'm cool with him, like anangxaki, yabo. But no two guys, but hey, this nigga, why would this nigga treat me like that? No two guys, I don't wanna lie, but Amachita grand, man. Heavy K was okay. Tanken was okay. All these niggas mind this bona go shows this background has been angxaki.
Yeah.
Enye into i-artist like an upcoming artist like me zifuna la treatment ingathi extra la machita of which naye lo mjita uzahereza yabo. I just take them like that, but no akunyanzelekanga lo mjita uba makabe ichomi yami ka lo mjita makacinga uba makanike leyo ndiyihalelayo. As long as qaba yo good oh, grand okay, it's fine.
And also they meet a lot of people.
Yeah,
they traveling, they meet a lot of people. So
but Hustler we unrecognize it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I'm kidding.
Shout out to Hustler, man. Shout out to Hustler. I think we're gonna have Hustler on the black couch.
Obvious.
They manifest.
Dog,
we're gonna have Hustler on the black couch, most definitely.
That's fire, dog. Oh, the other nigga, dog, that in Nige Jimna and the Brango DJ Switch, dog.
Yeah, I watched that interview. Yeah, that was dope, bro. Like I love how he handled it.
That's fire, bro. That nigga an appreciator. He called me, Pro X, Sapega it was a sentient.
Yeah.
Went to the club, meeting people like El Tito's, meeting people like.
Was that recent?
Recent, like GoPro.
Yeah, remember when Pro went.
When that side, we had a party. So Nwabapa, Saki Rider DJ, you know, those clubs are expensive. Yeah, so I'm not DJ. Yeah, but no, it's fine. Everything is free. Yeah, well. So the vibe was okay. Nomchita August introduced Bandwin. But okay, this is Slach is an upcoming artist. He's coming. Yeah, well, okay, this is Pro X. He's coming so good. This nigga, he hit 100,000 views within a month. Look for this. Yeah, well, so I always always balek. That's why in the line he co-sign ga switch and Qinisa and the best still cousin. Yeah, because the Khurmani enyanzelekanga bayenzela wayixelele wonke umuntu ichomi yakho, but this look out for this nigga, he's coming. Yeah, well. So shout out to him for that, dog.
Yeah, he has a great platform and put you on.
Put me on Switch,
yeah. It's a great platform, and I appreciate Abanabanje because it's like for me, I'm like if I'm a legend yetiski.
Yeah.
When you have to open up and recognize young talent, do it. Do
Yeah,
it.
why not?
You don't have to hold on to the space, yeah, boba, yeah, and me OG and all of those things. It doesn't add value anymore. But if you now working with the kids, umzekelo what Oskido does,
Yeah.
it's crazy, bruh. I saw him, I think, couple of weeks
Yeah.
back. He had a meeting with Boom Shaka.
Oh,
Can you
shit.
imagine?
That's fire.
Can you
That's-
imagine at their oldest age, bruh? They still trust him. They still go to him because they know that that's the person. Yeah, understand?
I even like the energy ayenzileyo une collaboration nale out to XYs.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
I was like, okay, XY is new school, is the one who did beats Gazako.
Yeah.
So now Oskido, XYs. Okay. And it's interesting, bakupe project here, deep house now.
Yeah,
so
yeah,
I'm like,
yeah.
no, this is fine. Ukusapota kule nto iyicho, yabo.
Yeah.
This is dope, man.
He stays relevant, Jay, by giving people platform. Easy.
That's fine, dog.
That's
fine,
really
dog.
dope, man.
When I watch, what you think of Indobu Foundation? So come on, man. Katlego Mpela, ne?
Yeah.
Une foundation ye football, ne?
Yeah.
Whereby upcoming footballers ezingalezanga mhlambe kwi platforms ezinkulu as collectors azenzele trophy azenzele something, ne? Wena is there any thing esinoyenze njalo enokwenziwa nguphizo enokwenziwa i3 months cup enokwenziwa ngudad? Don't you think ayikho into enjalo suppose yenzeka xa ucinga wena? For us.
To be honest with you, that's I don't know how is the approach with e project Capizo, which is a BU.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, because he had sessions, now he's planning podcast.
Okay.
Yeah, so I'm not sure aim yakhe, but I know but there are artists that he puts under his wing Goku abancede full on project.
Okay.
How do you call this, digital print, as long as we're visiting a guy as an artist to be like a proper artist, yeah, understand.
Registration.
So yeah, understand. So he does play that role somehow. As for E3, I don't know, man. Anfunu teta get right, madam. Shout out.
Yeah.
But I feel like they're in an age whereby they still do music, but they're not in the music industry. I don't know, like, but
they're making money out of music.
yeah, but also la way your Nikki platform, I don't think they do it. Yeah, understand?
Yeah.
And I think beyenze izama nguri.
Yeah.
Doing songs with Abo Holy Alpha, like young artists, yabo.
Yeah.
But they don't have like something whereby they would host master classes, they would like show people back a contract, sayina njani pha, yasinceda njani, ayasinceda njani, what can you learn and all of those things. Just a nice platform for younger generation not to repeat the same mistakes. Inqabile lo, I don't want to lie, Shem, I don't want to lie. But there are people, abanamagama amakhulu, but there are people who are doing
it. Yeah, I saw even uRazor ne sessions akaye mhlambi ndizibone sekukudala, but the sessions ablaka khona manje ndiyayibona za way yabo. The reason ndikubuza because I feel like we need more education.
Yeah.
Yabo. In order for the industry to go like a cool industry yethu, of which the Xhosa nation that doing hip hop, we need to have more of education than sikwazi ukukhulisana, siyazi responsibilities and all that, because ngoku siye expect ukuncedwa then ngomunye ngakuncedanga simbambe ngenqala, yabo, of which uza kunceda njani, uzothi umuntu yenza ingoma nam, of which wena uyana bizawupushwa njani le ngoma, there's nothing aimed ngaphakathi but ufuna nje exposure, yabo.
Yeah.
So I think we need more of education enjalo,
Yeah.
dog.
There's something that I came across this morning. I didn't want to talk about this thing, but changing. I didn't want to talk about this thing, guys. Trust me.
Let's go on.
But today there was a podcast that was dropped. I'm There was a podcast that was dropped in New Wave Podcast.
Okay.
New Wave Podcast is on Quali Image Films.
Okay.
You know Quali Image Films?
I saw it back in the days, Gobo Biggie. I don't know now.
Yeah, Quali Image is owned by Cadenza.
Okay.
Cadenza. So he has a podcast now called New Wave Podcast.
Dlala Mfuleni.
I don't know what him now, Cadenza. I don't want to lie. I used to see him with shows.
Ukadenza ila nigga wena Ajus. La nigga besihleli na izona. Oh, hi. Oh, okay, Flip. Okay, what's going on with podcast?
So on this episode, he had Lloyd Ness.
Oh, yeah.
He had Lloyd Ness, and then amba teta Pizzo and how he doesn't like Pizzo, energies Pizzo, pro eggs, Kidio. And then he started talking about you.
What is he saying about me? Like, hey.
So I don't know what happened, Yabo, but it has to do with Indaba Piggy. He started also revealing that Upigi, the reason why Piggy is not in the picture at the moment is because Wayo Twasa and all of those things and Mpumalanga, so that's why the music is on hold. Yabo.
Yeah.
But I don't understand what's the beef ke ngoku kuwe. Because into azithethayo is like ayibambeki incam yabo lawe, and at some point he said that he met you kwenye event and he had a gun on him and then he then got arrested.
This nigga yaphupha la nigga. Listen, what's going on here? The image of being an albino, yeah.
Yeah.
I think it's the whole conflict about it's all about that.
Yeah.
Because Biggie is my nigga, yabo.
Yeah.
Biggie, we grew up sidlala ijudo kunye, yena bedlalela iathlon, mina bendlalela ikhanyisa eBhayi. So besimane sidibana kwi sessions ze judo, yabo.
Yeah.
Kwi national games and all that. So uBiggie ngizomazi njalo and uBiggie ayikhaya yamncane oledi, yabo. Ngoba uthima ka Biggie no oledi nabanye abantu basekhaya. I think bakhula kunye abazichomi or something, bapha Delft. So I know me and Biggie we are family, yabo. So now umjita uLloyd Ness icabukiswa into bantu ndipopile after uBiggie. I've been under the underground.
Ngingabonakali,
ne?
Yeah.
So after I dropped that song and then umjita uthi uXaga he's taking all the Biggie image, he's taking all the Biggie raps, he's taking all the Biggie fame and shit.
Yeah.
Of which Udman Hlale mangazipush ijambele because uBiggie ukhona. Yabo. Of which disrespect yaxoka yangiqela, yabo.
Yeah.
Because umjita akakwazi ukuthi the sound njengoBiggie. uBiggie akazange rap njengami.
Never. Yeah.
And then uBiggie, I'm his fan. Yabo, he's my nigga. Uthi yena ke ngoku Lloyd Ness umnandi fundiswe nguBiggie urapper, that's a lie. Right?
Yeah.
uBiggie uphula phe sendi rapper ndibana naye eRustenburg. Aphula phe ephethe Express Music that time.
Yeah.
Ufika ephethe uphethe collection yomculo wase Cape Town. Yena la xesha akaka rap uBiggie. Okanye akakho comfortable ngonivisa ingoma zakhe
Okay, yeah.
Because univisa uChina anivise uKidio nami ndiyabaseleka because I'm a fan kaKidio like yo nomjithi nomculo kaKidio omninzi yabona so sibe close kanjalo noBiggie andithumele umculo yabo ndibe nomculo never yet uBiggie nizomvenga uBiggie kwingoma ethi I'm a murderer.
Okay,
that time ndise forward ke ngosekudala ndirapa negama yabo. Okay uBiggie ebechill ba uyarap kanye uzawurapa nechomi zakhe so now ndiyaqala uva umculo wakhe kahle ndawuva of which asifani sound ngendlela efanayo qha kumjidi uyaziphambanisa ucabukela lena uba ekuse uAchus wakhe uthe xa ihambe yojonga i-spiritual journey yakhe kuzogqinga ngoku nazi enye igavi inkawo ngoku for ithatha yonke le face yamjidi wami yabo of which andiyithathi we supposed to collaborate.
It doesn't make sense for me. Like it doesn't make sense to say that uthatha image yakho kanye platform yakhe. Y'all different, bruh.
Yeah, we are
sound
different.
Y'all walk different journeys. Was there's a intertwine, but you want different journeys. Yeah, boy. I don't understand. Cause the way he spoke about it, I thought you started something, and I was like,
Nah, dog. I don't even know that nigga mna. And so ndiyazi no yazi. Into endiyaziyo mna ngona nzeka ngoLloydness, I know ichere enhleko kwawo. Yabo ukhona umntana nanifunda naye futhi. She's pretty, yabo. Umntana kokwabo and we were close, yabo. And then even ngexesha angathi umjita asivana still.
Don't Drake him though. Don't Drake him.
No, dog, I'm not trying to Drake him.
Hasn't you like in the future? Don't Drake
oh.
him.
Nah, dog, andifuni nento ndidibanisa Lloydness.
Yeah.
Andifuni nento ndidibanisa naye. It's fine. I can work with Biggie anytime and tell us plan singathi sidibane.
Yeah.
And if bengena cherry mhlawumbe benza mvisa kabuhlungu ndifune la mntana kokwawo.
Yeah.
But I'm not that guy. Yeah, but she's pretty. She's fire, dog.
Yeah.
Ndaqonda ke ngokungathi asifani.
Nomjito
ngoba lo mntana uyazibona ezibeke status sam and we were good that way. So ngoba andithanda le conversation because senibuza ngoba kwenza kantoni phakathi kwakho nomjita yabo. Ndithi no akho nix qhaza into zika Facebook manje sizozoya yabo. So ezinye beefs unnecessary zenza ntoni? Zenza sixabane nabantu aba close ngaphandle komculo.
Yeah.
So unnecessary kakhulu into ka Lloydness. Wanikupela isibhamu ku Facebook uthi Jola kudubula uthi indawo work kuyo uthi inkawu ityiwilile okhupha idisc kodwa ajusi wakhe umhlophe njengawo yabo. Then now if udisa mna udisa ajusi wakhe
for sure
yabo. Ebenodisa mna ngoba mhlambe ni work ubhekhe week ingoma zama zithile week obviously sitha nami akazokwazi undisa ngobunkawo because ajusi wakhe ulapha cani kwakho uzocover up ajusi indise le kathi inkawo uzawuva njani yabo. So I was like iyaziphambanisa le yeke la show. Yeah, that's why he didn't even drop that diss.
Yeah, he said he didn't drop the diss. Uthi because you abanjwa so xa ibuya.
Uyile lo ngoma kaphinda pha diss. Uyile makadiss.
Yeah, that's why I don't entertain into dibene beef. For me it doesn't add value. It doesn't at all, and for me it's a waste of time because you have to enhance your skill and your craft. Years akuthethelela. About disabani, you don't like ubani, it won't help you at all. Cause like him giving out as a statement, it's gonna make half of the people who used to listen to him or listens to him to be like, hey, asikuthandi sisincam ngoku. Yabo, now you're losing confidence abantwini. But if he had dropped something and it was like, I'm announcing a project, everyone was gonna be excited. Nabangamaziyo be like, oh shit, there's something new coming.
Yeah, but nayo kaloku amajita leyo like this is rap, yabo. Mna nangxaki ne beef ne diss nentoni. Cha, kaske yenza sense.
Yeah.
Kaske okay, so
No, it's not because alarm zami. Kanfake ingoma ka AKA Prada. That's one of my favorite songs.
Rest in peace to Mega.
Yeah,
Rest
man.
in peace to Mega. Yeah, man, but dithi andinangxaki ne beefs ne nezodisana. Uthina umuntu angaza kuma ndiboyiki mina yabo. It's just that kaske yenza sense.
Yeah.
Yabo, because xa ndi reply mos anzobe ndi reply ngobani ba sakudubula uthini. No, dog. I'm going to compete with the skill. Mna ndithembele ngeskill, i-rhyme scheme, i-punches phana pha, flows, i-sense still ndithetha. Mandingadibanisa igama kuba ndifuna uwin i-conversation, yabo? Yeah. So yeah, dog, it's a skill, it's a rap thing. Ba kusema ke maske sivana amandla, ba ngibani o rap ngcono kuno. Then we can do that. But ba izawuxoka na, dog. Ngeyibhale bepha etrongweni ngeyibhale kahle pha e-district ehleli kamnandi pha enexesha lonke, yabo? Athi phuma khuphi album, yabo?
Yeah. Talking about it wrong, I just had a thought. What do you think about this Skebenga? And would you collaborate with this Skebenga?
Shout out to yena.
Yeah,
I would,
man.
dog. I would. Ikhona ingoma yami ethi uMabheka, yabo?
Yeah.
I once thought of Skebenga if ngenze remix yale ngoma ngamfaka, yabo? Shout out to Uskelem, ne?
Yeah.
Uskelem ndispana naye kakhulu, like so. Uskelem ngumjita owenzela uSkebenga instrumental zamrecord amenzela ivideo zamthini kumjita waseTinarha.
Okay.
So sikhula kunye nobra qha bemdala kum nomakhulu akhe kumaxarha, so yasidibanisa lo.
Okay.
Khona ingoma yami ethi Suka ene music video. Le music video yishutwa ngoSkelem naye. So la ndayenzayo for uSkebenga ndiyayithanda kakhulu. Lalo kuthiwa nika abanye abantwana iplatform.
Yeah.
And uyamoluleka more. Xa umuntu esuke etrongweni uthi kayiphuma uphume engabonaka engacacelwanga isociety.
Yeah.
So la ndayenzayo unanzika uSkelem ubonisa wonke umuntu ukuba sumjaja
Yeah.
yabo uthi ngokuzotshintsha mxhase achinje yabo. So big shout out to Skebenga. I love the characters enzayo, the content, the music that he's doing. Inyana ikhuphayo kuzindasithethayo nendlela afunde ngayo ebomini and all that.
Yeah.
Andifuna uhamba la path yakhe ngoba sendiyibonile bayibenzima kanjani. Yeah, shout out to him.
Then there's passion, man, kumchita. That's what I see like, all the time. Even like from ezinye videos zakhe from ngaphakathi eziresurfaceayo. You'd see by amlan lo mchita kudala efuna uyenza le way like he's been hungry for it. Imagine how many artists that we lose ziphele ziyongena egown and then zibuye ziweske ngoku zingekho kwasendleleni. You understand? We lose a lot of people, but when you say that Uskelem does such, man, it's quite a real inspiration.
Yeah, shout out to him, dog. Shout out to him. Yeah, kudala mjita wayenza la we emajiteni yabo, including mna like ben inspiration na yabo.
Yeah.
Ben inspiration. Shout out to him, man. Intswembu la wayenza.
Yeah.
Ifana lento ndenzela yona ngokunika platform.
Awunikami platform.
What you mean?
You big, bro. Icon.
Yeah, man.
I wanna ask you another two-way question. Leben sitting zakunika yona close to ekugqibeleni.
Yeah.
I love to ask this question to a lot of people that come to the platform. What's that one thing that you hear about yourself which is not true? And then what's that one other thing that you want people to know but they don't know about you?
Into endivayo abantu bayithethayo dog, what ugqarha work of which they lie, dog. They keep on saying like, man, like, now I grow up kustwa the light, I work la light, yabo. I'm not work, dog. I'm not work. There's a lot of people like
Yeah.
Yabo. So I'm not work. I don't wanna lie. And yeah, into ngoku ekuthethwa ithini lesibini question?
Into wena abantu abangayaziyo that you would like them to know about you.
Oh yeah, I love people, man. And ndingumuntu we-energy, yabo. If the energy is fire, we're going far, dog, yabo. We go and umzekelo, I'm not even umuntu kuthiwa mhlambe liKristu okanye liBuddha okanye intoni okanye no dog andikazifumani eziba ndikhonza entweni.
Yeah.
But into endiyithethayo, let's do good. That's it. So I love people. Ngaske bahlale begrand bonke. Umna dog apho ndikondlela ningquku ngabantu abaninzi, yabo. Abantu baninzi and bajonga ngathi bazotsala next kuma ngabe bazonifunxa something. They just appreciating to be alive with me, you know. So ingaske abantu xa bebona ukuba abakwazi usondela balwe nami, you know.
Yeah.
Let's just maba hotspot, man. That's it. And the only way you hotspot is to do positive for omnye umuntu.
Yeah.
Then mna ndiyasondela kuwe, dog, I like that, you know.
Yeah.
That's it, bro.
Nah, that's powerful, man. That's really powerful because what you're talking about is something that I've been talking about with my jams, yeah. And like all these artists that feel that they've tapped into the mainstream, they are very isolated in a way that one of the things that you said is that xa singekho sasonka uzaba ngubani omnye umuntu ozampick up. Yeah, understand? I always like, yeah, abantu, they so isolated, and whenever we talk about them, we talk about the platform to them, I think they feel like, yeah, 1K subscriber, 50K subscribers, and you always ixesha. And I'm like, we're in the same area, we're pushing the same thing, yeah, bola we. We're supposed to at least meet each. Kona la we yoba. I'm giving you a platform, but I'll cost serious. Like, yambona man umdo deserve platform.
Yeah.
But when it comes to people who see ba, except ba push abantu dog. Every number ziko, but ba push abantu, and still you like current, you know, you know, give them anything.
Yeah, people talk about fun, yabo. That's why in Talent City ebantwini aba willing to collaborate nabanye abantu babagcina la ndiyi-1 yobana akunyanzelekanga bakunceda ba.
Yeah.
So ungayifaka enhliziyweni balomjita why act so why shy away ubani kwathini yabo. mazi bakunyanzelanga ngakunceda but the minute ekunceda you appreciate la way yabo gqiba nawe ugqithisela energy
yeah
yabo
yeah
man
that's dope man that's nice what happened last week be launch ka Mills. How was that?
Ndifike bephuma abantu ne because benikiwe ixesha ne bangaperforma ngo 8:45
bengena mbona ke waposta uba beke wafika ngexesha onga how's the performer wenze njani?
No, it's not bad because mina beniperforma ngo 9:15 baye ngo 9:45 so bengafuna uhlala pha ixesha lonke kanti kukho abantu endidibana nawo abafuna udibana nami so I was meeting people around Lita Park zonke eza areas close pha ndaya kwa East natyo umngqusho ngefucking knife you know so ndifika ke 5 to 9 kanifika abantu bayaphuma yabo wabeke ngobekhalaza uba no iye sound yabafailisha izixesha lihamba and then uTwo Mills wacela iartist ebezi headliner like which is Now Smash which is uPro X yabo ubantu bafethi no masikabe sa performance bafethi siyanicela because ngoku yoba ngathi ngoku ndiyanisabotage and all that the sound is Che Twitter or something like that so ndengena kuyaphunywa so abantu abambalo ndibene nabo we had a great time shout out to Phoenix ubhalile ku Facebook ba Facebook benifuna ukubona and all that and I'm sorry man for uba unganibonanga bendiqoma ngifuna ufika ngela xesha ebenibhayiswe na ibhasi ke dog ibhasi yami bekusapose ifika ngo11 yafika ngo5 late yabo so ishow ka Mills yona i-collaboration sane after party nadibana namajita afana rap feel nadibana namajita afana yathetha rap la mjita kokoko yathetha I love his energy nadibana no K-Wax no Foxy Soul dog ndiyenze i-remix yengoma yami endizanga kwabanje so these niggas remix yemacheri ke ngoku
I was actually about to ask you because singena kwinyanga yabo ngoku yabo like that collaboration that's dope.
It's dope bro because the idea is to uthatha osisi badibanise ba represent ispaza yabo because egqibeleni ba besikathared sibe siyibona nathi singamadoda akhoyo ba say abantwana baba ngadibana beSpanya why not yabo so there's a remix so bendibena abantwana Foxy Soul, the Tibana no Nicky Z, Mills the First is there as well. Braille guy Mbono Braille, but she's part of the remix. No Smash Mateza ben Galuba Bona Bonga, but we meet
Smash is dope.
She's dope. Man, but that was dope. That was a dope initiative. I'm always like that though because ndakena kupa enye collaboration ethi Pray for the Youth. Faka amajita amaninzi just to uziveza xa igama lami at least likwazi ufumana 200,000 streams yabo yonke la way xa ndikwazi uyifumana lo way meaning that ndiyakunceda now so I had that mentality good man let's do this thing why not so now shout out to my boy Huke is putting together the music video for langoma music video langoma uzanga kwabanje lewe females right because kwezinye culture na kwezinye i subgenres the hip hop zikhona females rapper there's Zulu females there's a rapper azidibanisa uzakho azifaka ku mixtape kwi session e1 zonke za way ngapha emotswakho azidibanise election azikhuphe i-girls zonke so why not singazenza about this side so what I'm trying to do ke ngondizama andifuna uba ngilamuntu obadibanisileyo but ndifuna uba i-reason bayenzekini we're competing with other languages yabo or other camps up in South Africa so we're supposed to be there not
that's dope man that's really really dope cause nathi when we were pushing a roasting session hip hop cypher at least we had 2 months that were dedicated to the ladies that was I think April and then August but bedlishe bodwa and then we had 1 month whereby we were like let's do half because the rap ina masculinity you be killed by a female dead on stage
and baphule through abantwana because one is remixes yi2 the original Lilians and Flash and then ibezi remixes yi2 which is Leo Pro X beyile abantwana so angayazi ke ngoba benzwe ngoba ngeke ngibuza nabakubhaka Facebook ba Which one is which
Which
one?
one?
Yona bana babulele nabo pha. I don't wanna lie.
Yeah.
Bulele kakhulu.
I have to listen. I haven't listened. Say Pumila mos.
Yeah, siphumele on digital stores. Yasisho xaxa zange kwabanje zovela zoyi3 zange kwabanje uzawuva pha.
I don't know if I should wait for the video. Kanye, let me do a reaction. Go.
You can do the reaction because I don't know uba uke uzayikhupha nina igqibenini.
Yeah.
But masingancami yabo. Masikhuphe le podcast. Xa phuma le podcast maybe after some time like ureact kwi-video ngoba iyobe seyiphumile.
Yeah. I need to do a reaction on that, man, and check it out.
Ne.
Yeah.
Hey, ungasikanga bantwana.
I'm one person who's real, bruh, and in fact engxakini la I remember I did reaction engoma ka Salty bar for bar.
Yeah.
And I spoke my mind and I was like, hey, comments abantu bacimana I'm bashing Salty. While I even said on the song I'm a fan.
Yeah, big
One
shout
of
out
my
to Soul.
favorite songs, Ngulaweza Ngu Indlela Ndlela. That's my favorite song. I used to listen to that song
It was
every
2014.
day.
Yeah.
Every day, can't see it down, like on my headphones. Indlela Ndlela. It's like a motivation for mobile. Fika kwami la town fune ndenze havoc.
Yeah,
Because hustling is real. It's really hustling. We can't stop right now. But at the moment, you busy in the only king. What's happening? I saw that you did another podcast, 5-minute podcast on Vulture TV.
Yeah, lewe ngicava ba yiyo le uthetha ngayo.
Oh no! I bingekaphumi at that time. I think iphuma around 5. Yeah,
You're around 5. No, dog, I'm pushing the merchandise. Dimityana ba makwetini, you know.
Away.
And I'm working on my third mixtape. It's for Ghetto Kids too.
Okay.
Yokuqala ngile nqumela emlonyeni. Yesibini ngo Ghetto Kids 2021.
Okay.
So nje sipana kwesithathu ngoku. Ndifuna iphume before lo nyaka uphele.
Okay.
Dispana kule kwezi visuals zikazanga kwabanje.
Okay.
I'm also waiting for e-visuals original sort of the remix yamajita akazanga kwabanje. So i-projects zizawuphuma zilandelelana zilandelelana. I-platform inisponsor on YouTube, no digital stores, no Audio Mac.
Okay.
So if you want to check my music or you want to check what I'm busy with, just search uXarha ku YouTube. Even ku Google ngokububala xa kuthiwa yi South African artist.
Yeah. yeah, recognize.
They recognize.
Where can people get the match? Bamba online ithini boy?
Bantu WhatsApp.
Okay.
Yeah, Xarha.
Okay.
Sorry, Xarha. WhatsApp 078-328-5314, like 078-328-5314. Uyabhala pha ekuseXhizini ndishaya match yabo.
Oh yeah.
And then ndizama uyidibanisa.
Oh yeah. And I'll also put it on a description down below so that abantu bakwazi ukureach King. We gotta support. We gotta make sure that we support.
Thank you so much.
And I really appreciate you, bro. I really appreciate you, and I appreciate your energy and the way you conduct yourself. Yeah, but not a lot of people are very grounded. Yeah, but like way. And as man, sometimes just a small brink of taste of mainstream. Kwabanye bandi benza. But Pambane, I understand.
Yes.
And it's one thing that I always am like, I see myself as a nobody.
Yeah.
All the time, bruh. Like, all the time.
Always willing to learn.
And abanye abantu bathi ndi modest when I say that. I remember I was shooting in out last weekend. Yabo, ku-event ye-Gqom, nezwe 3-step, yabo. So I was shooting. And then, khona le out i-producing u-DJ iyadwaba ithetha kakhulu yabo. I'm like ndiyijongile ngqoma and ke ngoku ithetha kumuntu ayimazi and izixelele yona uba
intswempu
yabo after an hour kuzoxelela uba kusa udlala igita ke lo mjita ithi man kusa udlala igita kusa wenza umculo nobody bro
just keep like that
because energy yakho already when uske wazixelela uba you're gonna fill the room kuzoviwa ngawe yabo nasikube observant because you're gonna miss out a lot of things and it's because you're like very big headed ngoku you think you can like fill in the room without giving other people a chance to talk yabo you'd miss a great opportunity ngenxa yalando mhlawumbe nangu lo muntu ubumdinga for something that you want to invest in your movement but ngoku uthethe kakhulu awamnika ne chance then the opportunity is gone just like that.
Yeah, ish.
Yeah,
Nah, man. Umuntu ngabantu, dog.
yeah,
Umuntu ngabantu, and shout out to my moms and shout out to my family for unkhulisa ohlobo. Shout
yeah,
out to Oleta base boarding school, base school se ohlobo. Like I know people. Friends zami zonke most yazo zinjengami zimhlophe, yabo. And they look up to me most yabo,
yeah,
because they see ukuba anamona fethu.
yeah,
Dungo umuntu edaliwe iba khona mhlawumbe xa ebona into ebekufanele uyenze ngokwakhe yenziwe ngomnye umuntu ithi
yeah,
qho,
yeah,
but ndiyakwazi uzikhaverisha ndithi no, that person ain't deserve la way and ndimvuyele, yabo. Yeah, so we need to learn more kula way le, and xa umuntu entswembu simvulele, yabo. Okwangoko brand the problem ne gatekeepers, dog, yabo. Gatekeepers zabantakwethu. You can't be a gatekeeper umntakwethu abe gatekeeper.
Yeah.
Okanye keep on saying la nigga ugxarha ithe talk positive about me noba ndikho, yabo. Even if ndi wrong mna kuwe, but awukwazi undithengisa kwezinye inhlanga yondithengisa kwabanye abantu oyaziyo kuba these people they might be your enemy too, because nanza coverela all the time ndikubona, yabo. Yeah, man, let's not gatekeep. I had friends, bro, ezispana kwi-platforms ezi-grand, like kwi-platforms SABC, whatever. These niggas ziyajikeleza, dog, like, dog, you know, this is Albinism Awareness Month, uphe uphumile, I want to perform there, make this thing possible. Noba ikukhuphisa imali izayizama imali ikhuphe zicela abantu bandidonatele abantu imali. But these niggas jikeleza, like, I don't understand, yabo. And then there are people my fellow artists that would say izinto ezikhubekisayo, dog, yabo. Enye nigga yathi kum, no, don't be big-headed, you just only have one song that is hitting numbers. And I was like, nigga, leyo itshoyo bayibhlungu kanjani apha kum ngaphakathi, because ndicinga fanele uba siyi-one, yabo, because the concept endinayo yokubana uba we collaborate siyolwa apha phezulu, omnye wethu uzawupopa pha xa ipopile oyi-one, hlala endaweni egrand, hlala esentini, hlala omnye endaweni ethile, hlala eRosebank, hlala ePipipi, siyacollaborate eziklabhini, siyathini. Now siyabonakala siyi-movement. Because now as your movements is scattered, so niggas can tell you izinto ezibhlungu just to kill energy yakho. So ndizama upusha kakhulu leyo bamajida akaziyeke masivalele leya, yabo. Because at first amajida ekade grand enzamba hamba mfethu ufuna ntoni hayi nangulana, but naxa bebona uba ngoku ezindawo bazivulayo xa ndingena kuzo and ndizihandlisha kahle abantu baba bakhalaze ngam, they start to uvala ngokwabo, yabo. Let's not do that, man. Let's not do that. So yabo utakhofu undivulela.
Yeah, man. You more than welcome, bro. More than welcome, man. I really appreciate, and shout out to you, bro. And shout out to everyone ababukeleyo from Eastern Cape, from Durban, from Jozi. And I'm definitely sure. I don't know if they still stick around until this point, because we have our international audience. But the language barrier, sometimes it becomes a problem. But the more we develop the platform, the more we're gonna make sure that we have subtitles and ways to make sure that we engage more thoroughly with our international audience, because we know you guys have ka-ching ching that we need. You guys have the funds and everything. Otherwise, going forward, ngaske into zakho zivuleke bhuti man.
Ndibulela bro.
Kukhanye bhuti wami.
Ndibulela bro.
Utatche nezinye lives, yabo. Wherever you go, ube light kuwe wonke umuntu osendleleni yakho bhuti wami.
No, ndiyaqina mkhulu, ndiyaqina, yabo. Ndiyaqina. Shout out to everybody abandifonelayo, yabo. Khona manje ndakafona. Athi mfethu grand, like, are you good? I'm good, man. I'm good. Mental health, all right. Njani olete endlini? How grand, ingcosi right, yabo. Zonke zakwezi zibalekile, because xa ukule ndawo ndikuyo okanye xa ukule platform, kwezi platform ndikuzo, like right now, you're facing a lot of things, yabo. People died, Ricky died, you know, because of akho bantu babecheckayo abantu abanjeya, what's going on. So bakhona abantu bandicheckayo, yabo. I like that. I like the energy.
And shout out to Who Came, man. Shout out to the king.
ikhona e-Eastern Cape ke bra i-platform eyenziwa ngo-Aslan Makhalima ne
Okay.
u-Aslan Makhalima uyi-coordinator yenye movement kuthiwa yi-Mechanic Group ne
Okay.
uregistera i-artists uyazirekhoda uzenzela i-graphics so Eastern Cape sisokola kakhulu kwinto efuna yalandela into zorisa noSamra noKapaso
Yeah.
asite si-understand noba yintoni different sometimes yabo so lo wamjita uyabanceda kakhulu abantu abaninzi and nami uyandinceda nguyondipushela into efana ne-PR yabo
Okay.
like right now he's making sure ukuba okay apha kwazi ufikelela khona xa izi-pull up so I want to say shout out to him ancede nabanye if umuntu obukele apha ufila ngathi udinga olwancedo lunje azamdatshe
Yeah.
dog. So xa ndithetha ngento zobantu ba makubanjwa nekunyuswana ndithetha nge-platforms ezinjalo
Yeah.
xa ufumana i-platform kuthiwa coffee like this you mention a nigga that you know that he's doing it good for the game.
Yeah. I remember no Pizzo used to camp a lot in the Eastern Cape. Chuba ndisendaweni ethile nazi services sikhona makusetyenzwe. Yeah.
Shout out to Pizzo man. Dadibana nabo no Phoenix ngabe Alice. Wow, beautiful energy is a niggas. Yeah, beautiful energy. You know pro. How much that grand?
Yeah.
Grand how much that energy grand. Cha andifila ngathi adiniwe kucengane athi singafuna usebenza.
Yeah.
So umuntu ofuna usebenza makavaye kubo.
Yeah. Pizzo is working on another artist man to Sipho Sax. Yo, Sipho S. Okay. Hey, how's it doing?
Yeah.
So a lot of times they'll be live on TikTok, they'll be live on Facebook, they record.
Oh, so that nengqayine?
Yeah. They're working on great music, man. It's gonna come very soon, and shout out to those guys. And yeah, man. Next week on the 10th of August 2024, it's the first time ever that the Gas Mayhem TV Black Couch podcast is gonna be hosted with a live audience.
Boop.
Yes.
That's fire.
We're gonna be live in Mazinki near Stellenbosch on the 10th of August 2024 around 4 p.m. It's gonna get crazy, bruh. I've never done a live audience podcast.
Yay.
So
No,
it's a free event.
Easy.
People, there's performances.
Well.
So the podcast is gonna start, and then after the podcast, there's performances. And I'm also a headliner on that event, so I'll be bringing in new music. I'll be playing the guitar and singing for you guys, man. And I can't wait for that one. And also gonna be dropping after this one. So when uvulele omama ke ngokule nyanga yabo. So after this episode, we're gonna be dropping women back to back. So
elazi igama lami lesityandi ngiba
kubani puti?
Ntombi zimthambele.
Yes.
So ndibavulela bavulelwa ngontombi zimthambele.
Hi. There you have it, guys. There you have it, man. Shout out to everyone who reached this point. What are you waiting for? Like this video. Comment on the comment section. What's your favorite Gaga song? Where did you meet him? How was he? Whatever you can say about him, man. And if also you have a merchandise, please holla and say that isekhona ikhona ikufitisha kamnandi uzifila njani xa unxibile. Otherwise, thank you Puti wami, ndiyabulela kakhulu Puti.
Thank you Rasta for having me, man. I appreciate it, dog. I'm happy now. I'm happy now. But akonihappy ufika kwami yabo.
Yeah.
And I like it like basizincokole zonke ezwi yabo sizincokolileyo. Because omnye umuntu uzawufunda, omnye umuntu uzazibheka yabo because sithethe nezinto zobantu bazikhona ezingiqelayo yabo. Bazazibheka. Sithethe nezinto zobantu abantwana kufuneka befundile. Sathetha nge-collaboration, but we need to collaborate to compete with ezinye camps yabo. Sancokola about life yabo like as abantu abadala. What we're supposed to talk about, you know. So shout out, man. I'm happy.
Oh yeah, man. Oh yeah. There you have it, guys, man. Shout out to all our subscribers. We are on our way to 2K subscribers. Hopefully by the end of August, we're gonna have 2K subscribers on this platform. And also shout out to everyone who's following us on Facebook. We are on 9.5K followers. We are about to reach 10K followers. And shout out to everyone who's following us on Instagram. I can't remember. But we still, please make sure you get to our Instagram, guys. We post nice content there also. And there's a new show coming from Mfundo Mbali. He's going to be on your screens, back on your screens very soon. And when the league opens, we're going to start when the soccer league opens. We're going to bring back a show that we always do with stadiums when the match is over. And we're also going to be introducing another new show on the tabs. Like, we are coming with big guns right now. And then next year, the Roasting Session Cypher show is coming back. You've never been to it. Hopefully by next year, I'll be
part of the.
Yeah, mhlawumbe singafaka wena sifaka uLoignes sifake nezinye iziqhele kaka. Yabo kuviwane Mike. Kavule vele security alamini.
Hey, that nigga is a pull up a petty gun, that nigga. But no man, smaska iniki platform like agabo.
Otherwise, thank you, bro, man. It's your boy Car from Outchain, Cape Town. Eguguletho Barcelona Matyotyombe Cloud in a pole.
Yeah.
South Africa, man.
But my people need to follow me. Like, let me remind them, sorry, man.
Oh, yeah.
I'm Xaga SA, dog, on YouTube, Xaga SA on Facebook, Xaga SA on TikTok, Spotify, everywhere. And on X as well, I'm Xaga SA. Please check my music. Please comment there. Yo, please, Bonile, PPP, na PPP, Uzanini, PPP, and all that. Shout out to Elusigisika. I went to Lusigisi now performing Mambondo pa.
Yeah.
Boy and this drum.
Yeah, Cocola Mambondo and Agliati, Acorda Lampa.
That's fire, man.
Oh,
Thank you for having me,
short,
man.
Short, bro.
I'm okay, I'm blessed.
Short, bro. Nagajan, guys.
Hey, get in rappel like I pelin.
Yeah. Let's futu.
Shabu.
We out, man.
We out.